want to show you this 20-inch round LED medicine cabinet. This one here in particular, they pride themselves in the quality of the glass and the reflectiveness of the mirror. So that's number one. So you can see you've got some really good reflections, because there's nothing worse than a mirror that has cheap glass. You want to be able to see nice and clean. So that's number one. Number two, it has touch lighting and 3 color temperatures. So warm, cool, super cool, however you want to call it. And then the ability to dim down to that low or back up. And a real nice feature on this one is anti-fog. So you get out of that shower or whatever, just turn that on and that'll keep the mirror nice and clear, ready to go when you're ready to use it. The frame itself is metal. So you don't have to worry about this having some cheesy wood. It's all metal, which makes it very strong to hang on the wall. And on the inside, it's all metal. So the shelves are fixed. This is what you get. This is how it's set up for storage. Keep in mind, because it's round, you're always going to have a little bit of weirdness down here on the bottom. It's magnetized here and here. Got a nice backing on that. I like the fact that it's all black frame. You can get these in another color, and you can get them in larger. You can go up 28 inches. So it's a good quality piece, all metal construction, high quality mirror, touch controls, color temperatures, and anti-fog.